Every creative has a shelf life. It peaks and then it fades. If we don't have the next one ready, we go dark. The goal isn't to react when that happens, but to never let it happen at all. Ideally, we always need something live. We need to have the next winner in the pipeline at all times. What we've seen is that it can take 50, sometimes even 100 concepts to find just one or two winners. That's simply the nature of the game. Volume isn't optional, it's the entry point. But getting to that volume quickly enough is where most teams get stuck. The teams who succeed aren't doing anything different creatively. They're just generating enough volume fast enough to make sure they never go dark. The market has already shown us that volume is the key. The teams reaching that volume faster are seeing the results in their numbers. So the question is, how do we get there? In UAGenius, the research is already done. Every hook here has real ad spend behind it. Let's sort this by impression. Hooks that have already proven themselves in the market will appear first. Every card shows us exactly how it performed. Impressions, active days, last seen, and which platform it belongs to. This is not a random library. We are looking at ranked, dated, and sourced intelligence. Let's look at direct competitors. Here we see hooks that are currently running from direct competitors already curated and ranked. Let's select 4 from this section. Now these are indirect competitors. These offer game suggestions to your genre and show different styles. Often, the most unexpected creative angles come from here. Let's select 4 from this section. Next, we have the top trending hooks from the highest downloaded games right now. Let's select 4 from here. For top grossing games, these are filtered by revenue. The games spending the most and getting the best returns. Let's select 4 from here. We also have our own hooks. These past winners are already uploaded. Proven concepts are often worth revisiting. Once again, 4 from here. We have 20 hooks, each from 5 completely different angles, all ranked by real performance data. What used to take days of manual research can now be done in minutes. We move on to selecting body variations. These are the clips from our own library with different pacing and music. This helps tell slightly different stories about the same game. We have 20 hooks and 5 bodies, creating 100 variations. Every combination is generated automatically, and here they all are. That's 100 variations, each one a unique mix of hook and body. Notice the variety. Different opening moments, different characters, and creative angles, all using a single gameplay body. Each variation can be previewed right here. Anything that needs adjusting, the editor handles it. Transitions between hook and body. A recommendation is auto-suggested based on how that hook has historically performed. Now let's make sure all of them are selected, and then we click on Generate. We can even start our next batch. That's how we can generate 100 variations in just a few minutes. Here's the volume test folder. We have 100 unique variations, 20 hooks paired with 5 bodies each. There are different creative angles, different opening movements, and different visual pacing. With a 2 to 3% hit rate, this batch gives us a real chance to find 2 or 3 winners. At this volume, the math starts working in our favor. Research used to take days, now it's a selection. Production used to take days too. Now it's a queue. That's the whole thing. That's how UAGenius manages both research and production. So the volume that used to feel out of reach doesn't have to be anymore. If you want to know more about UAGenius, check out UAGenius Academy.